Case name Parameshwar, age is 38 years, and today date is 2nd May 2025, and complaint of high pitch voice from last 10 years, and the ENT finding is grade 1 sulcus and linear phonatory gap. Parameshwar, I want speech sample before treatment. Say about yourself, why you came here.
Yeah, I am Parameshwar. I came here for my high pitch voice issue, so looking forward for the treatment and get a deeper voice if possible.
So what challenges you are facing in your day-to-day life because of the voice problem?
I mean, not exactly, but myself, I feel like when I hear my own voice on the recordings and all, I feel like there is a high pitch voice, so that is the major issue I found.
Post-therapy video of Parameshwar, and today date is 10th May 2025. Parameshwar, on which date you came and why you came, what was the ENT finding, and after this therapy, how do you feel now?
I came on May 2nd and the therapy went till today. So I came here because my voice was very thin, so that was the major reason I came here for the therapy.
And what was the ENT finding?
Finding, you are referring to the
laryngoscopy.
Laryngoscopy, yeah, it was a grade 1 issue. So
grade 1 what?
Sulcus.
Grade 1 sulcus. Vocalis.
Yeah. Okay. Vocalis, yeah. So that was the issue I was having. So after therapy, I am feeling little voice slightly improved from earlier, despite of the problem what I had.
Okay, so have you recorded your voice sample first day and recently, and what changes you observe?
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, it was very thin. Now it got slightly deepened compared to earlier.
Okay, and how you spend your time on Sunday?
So mostly I spend my time on Sunday browsing internet for different, whether it's a news, digital stuff. So I browse for those reasons.
Okay, and can we use the video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So thank you for the permission, and those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change in his pre and post treatment voice, please like this video, share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel, so that people having sulcus, vocalis, and I think phonatory gap was also there.
Yeah.
So people having sulcus, vocalis and phonatory gap, they can get some motivation and hope, and they can reach to a right place for their treatment. Thanks for watching.